Welcome to the NordVPN Product Updates, December edition. Let's take a look at what's new for Linux, Windows, and iOS.
Hey there, Linux enthusiasts. Buckle up, because NordVPN is about to take your cybersecurity to the next level. Ever heard of quantum computing? It's like regular computing on the rocket fuel. Quantum computers promise to solve complex problems at lightning speed, but they also pose a new kind of threat. Imagine your sensitive data might be exposed someday. But don't panic. NordVPN has your back. We're thrilled to introduce post-quantum cryptography in our latest Linux app. Our upgraded NordLynx protocol with PQ complies with the latest NIST standards. That means your data gets an extra layer of armor ready to withstand even the most advanced quantum attacks. Think of it as a shield of your online privacy. At the same time, you can enjoy top-notch security without sacrificing speed or performance. So why this is a big deal? Well, the future is coming faster than you think. And with NordVPN, you'll be ahead of the curve, surfing securely into the quantum era. Now, let's move to the Windows updates.
Hey everyone! We've got some exciting VPN functionality updates for our Windows users that rolled out this fall. Let's begin with the NordLynx protocol. Previously, the NordLynx adapter was created and configured separately for each VPN connection, and then deleted after disconnecting. This process of creating and destroying the adapter affected how quickly connections could be established. So instead of creating a new NordLynx adapter for each new connection, the adapter now remains and is reused for other connections. This way, we made connections to NordVPN servers way faster. Now, let's jump into threat protection. If you haven't noticed already, we've redesigned a feature for better clarity. Threat protection is now organized into three main categories. Anti-malware protection keeps your device malware-free. Advanced browsing protection shields you from scams and phishing attempts while browsing. Add-in tracker blocker keeps your browsing experience clean and private. Enable all three to enjoy a safer, smoother online experience. And finally, let's talk about the Meshnet updates. This autumn, we switched to a lower-level WireGuard implementation, WireguardNT, for Meshnet connections. This change significantly improves connection speeds between your Meshnet peers while keeping the security levels high. Another highly requested feature is finally here, the ability to select a custom download location for Meshnet file transfers. Simply head to the General Settings section in the app and set your preferred file transfer location. It's that easy. And that's it for Windows updates. Stay tuned, as we'll be covering updates for iOS platform next.
Hi everyone! We've made some great improvements to NordVPN on iOS, and I'm here to give you a quick rundown of the new features we've rolled out to make your experience even better. Let's talk about speed first. We know how important it is to maintain fast and reliable connection while using a VPN. With our latest update, we've optimized performance when connected to NordLynx or recommended protocol, boosting download and upload speeds, in some cases up to double what you had before. That means faster streaming, quicker downloads, and seamless browsing while staying protected. Next, we introduced a way to help us improve your experience with problematic websites. If you encounter a site that doesn't work as expected when connected to NordVPN, you can report it to us, and our team will investigate. To report the website, go to User Profile, contact us, report an issue, can open the website. Alternatively, if you pause the VPN connection, you'll occasionally see a notification allowing you to report the website directly. No need to navigate to your profile. And speaking of usability, we've made a small but meaningful change to how you navigate the app. The search bar, which was previously located in the connection card, has been moved to the top of the screen. This adjustment reduces visual clutter and makes it quicker and easier to find your favorite locations. These updates are part of our ongoing effort to improve NordVPN and deliver the best possible experience for you. Make sure to update your app to enjoy these new features, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe and secure online with NordVPN.
If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel for more NordVPN updates.